Hello, welcome to Einstein Mechanics. In this episode, we are going to solve some problems on high order differentiation. So these are our expressions. We should find the second derivative for the expression y is equal to sec x. And the B part says we should find the third derivative of a function f of x is equal to sine x. So let's look at what we would do now. Y is equal to sec of x. So applying the first derivative, that is going to be dy on dx of derivative of sec x with respect to x. So this is going to be the derivative of sec x is a direct one, which we know to be sec x tan x. So this is the first derivative of sec x. So in the second derivative, we are going to differentiate this function. And what do you see? This is product of u and v, right? And if we are to find the second derivative of a product, that means we are going to write one, differentiate the other, plus we maintain the other, differentiate the other. So from this expression, I'm going to let my u to be equal to sec x, and I will also let my v to be equal to tan x. Now derivative of sec x, as we just did, is going to be sec x, and that is tan x, right? So we have its derivative to be sec x tan x, then v prime derivative of tan x, that is going to be sec square x. So we'll just put it in direct, the square on the x square. Now our u, which is sec x, is going to multiply the derivative of v prime, or derivative of v, which is sec square x, plus now we are going to have v, which is tan x, multiplying the derivative of sec x, which is going to be sec x tan x. So from here we can simplify the expression, and we can also, so this can be sec cube x plus sec x tan square x, right? So if I bring out sec x, this is going to be left with sec square x plus tan square x. And we have the trig identity or relation between sec square x and tan square x, which says tan square x plus 1 is always equal to sec square x. So from here, can we say that our tan square x is going to be sec square x minus 1? I want to work in sec square x. So meaning from the expression over here, I'm going to get the second derivative to be sec x, another sec square x plus sec square x minus 1. And this can be simplified as sec x through sec square x minus 1. Are we okay? Therefore, the second derivative for this function is going to give me sec x through sec square x minus 1. A very simple one. Are we okay? So this is the first expression. And we can look at the B part, which says we should find the third derivative of f of x equal to sine x. Now we say f of x is equal to sine x, and we are looking for the third derivative, which is straightforward. So the first derivative of x is going to be the derivative of sine x dx. And if we find the first derivative of sine x, that is going to be cos x. Now we go to the second derivative of x. That's the derivative of cos x with respect to x. That is going to give me negative sine x. So in order to get the third derivative, we must also differentiate the derivative. So this is what we are having. Therefore, f prime prime is going to be negative cos x, and this will be the third derivative of this function. Are we okay? So it's quite simple. You have to understand the derivative rules. Alright, thank you for watching this episode. See you in the next episode. Kindly subscribe to the channel, share and drop your comments.